Hello YouTube, and welcome back to another YouTube video. And today, as you all know, I am a photographer and a filmmaker, and today I have decided to share something with you. And today I'm going to be telling you guys how to brighten up your skin, make yourself look white, in Adobe LIGHTROOM all versions. So if you're dark, sometimes happens when you take a picture, you look like you seem dark. The picture seems dark, and you seem like you're black. And when you're black, the girls won't follow you on Instagram. Well, that might be the case, but anyways, I'm gonna show you guys how to brighten up yourself in Adobe Lightroom all versions. So there might be a lot of ways to do this, but the ways that I do it are the two ways, and I'm gonna be sharing those two ways with you. And from now on, within a minute or within some seconds, you can do that to make yourself look bright in Adobe Lightroom. So I've got my laptop right here, and in the next shot I'll show you how to do it. So yeah, see you in the next shot. So I got my laptop here, and I just started the Lightroom, and I'm gonna show you how to do it. So here we go. Library section, and what we can do when you go to library section, you can import pictures in your Lightroom. You can see I have so many added pictures right here, okay, and that's why it's a bit laggy as well, the Lightroom. And this is the develop section. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna jump straight into develop options, and from here you can select the picture that you want to add it. So let's just say I want to go for this picture right here, which I just took yesterday, the second one. So we have this picture selected. So select the picture, and once you do that, on this panel right here, on this right panel, what you can do is as I told you, there are two ways that you can use to brighten up yourself. So what happens when you take a picture, there are three colors. There are three colors which represent your skin in a picture, and that's red color, orange color, and yellow color. And the high chances are the orange is the color that is your skin color in a picture, and the second highest chances are red color, and the lowest chances are the yellow color. So we're gonna play with the orange color to see if it works and if it increases the brightness of my skin. So from this panel right here, you're gonna scroll down unless you see this tab right here. So as I told you guys, this is a saturation, which increases the color. Any of the these bars here, if you increase any of these bars, it will increase your color, okay. And if you go for luminance and you go to orange color, and I'm gonna increase the orange color. You see, I have increased the orange color to the fullest, and you can see that I look really white. Now I've decreased the orange color to the lowest, and I look extremely dark. And I increase it, and you can see the changes. And you can increase it to a point where it looks realistic. And you can play in the same manner with the red color and with the yellow color. So yeah guys, that is how you can whiten up yourself in Adobe Lightroom. And the other way is that, so you can select the brush from here, and this brush will give you new options. And from this menu right here, you can increase the size, adjust the size of your brush, and after doing that, you go onto your picture and you go onto your face and you add a mark there. Okay, and once you do that, you go again to those settings right here and you increase the exposure. So what happens when you increase the exposure, it increases the exposure at a point where you added a mark. So that's how it works, and you can play with the other settings in the same manner. So you can increase the highlights, you can increase the shadows and other options. So that's it, guys. I hope you find it helpful. If you did, make sure you subscribe my YouTube channel. I need to reach up 1,000 subscribers so that I can monetize my channel again, and as per YouTube's new policy. And at the end of this video, I'm going to be adding a cinematic sequence from my vlogging channel. So if you like that, make sure you subscribe my vlogging channel as well, and I'll see you guys in the next video with more tricks and tips. So yeah, peace out, take care, bye.